haters, it's a guy here. My face is reddish. Because I got sunburnt. But anyway, I did a video on my kitty cat, Big John. That was his name, but his name is John John. We changed it. At first it was Big John, but now it's John John. So yeah. But I did a video on that. I tried to post it, but it wouldn't upload. So, well, I uploaded it, but it didn't upload all the way, so that's okay. But I got my other big boy cat. Yes, he is a boy, and his name is Honey Bun. He is awesome. He is pretty cool. Yeah, watch. He'll bite though. He bites. He play bites. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, my finger. Yeah, so that's my cat, Honey Bun. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Wait, you might want some water. I said, why? Would you like some water? 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 Yeah, you like that, huh? Yeah, he might play with the nipple. He's playing with the nipple. Need some water? He's playing with the nipple. 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 What's in the nipple? What's in the nipple? He's in the baby's crib. Look at that. He's in there. Come on. Come on, honey. Come on. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment, guys. Bye.